It's by Spa Fundamentals. It's hyaluronic acid, it's moisturizing, and it's supposed to be a visible difference with dark circles, and you can use it on your eyelids. So Anti-Wrinkle too, I love this style where it's a pump style and then it just comes out. So this is my first time using it. I'm gonna prime that pump a few times. Ooh, there it goes. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's kind of fun. And then let's put it under the eye. What's nice about that metal ball is that it's so soothing as you use it as well. So it's almost like having a refrigerated applicator. This feels really nice. So you can use it all over your eye. You can use it on your eyelids. Okay, let's take a little quick peek at this side versus this side. I do feel like this one already looks like it kind of firmed up a little bit, which is nice. We're gonna let that all absorb, but it does look like it firmed up a little bit, and maybe even if I get close, the darkness is a little bit less. It does look more alert, so that's pretty instant. That's amazing. Loving this.